Okay guys, today I'm gonna be doing the oil change for my 2017 Nissan Altima 2.0 liters. Okay, right here. And I'm gonna be doing full synthetic advanced. That's gonna be 5 quarts 0W20. Yeah, full synthetic. And I got the car already set up right here. That's for safety. I put that one right there. Okay, let's get into it. All right, and I'm gonna be using 916 wrench key. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do a couple just in case. Okay, that's good now. Now I'm gonna do it with my hand. I'm gonna slide this pen right here to catch the oil. All right, now I'm gonna untie this bolt for the oil to come out. Okay, as you can see, the oil is burnt. It's all black. Yeah, I needed an oil change. All right, I'm gonna, and then the filter. All right, that's it.
Okay, as you can see right here on the passenger tire, is the filter right here. That's the one right there. That's the one you're gonna try to work with it. Yeah. Okay, you see the oil right here coming up. Okay, after cleaning right here, I'm gonna put the new filter. Right there. Okay, that's real good. Now I'm gonna put this bolt right here. Okay, that should be good. I'm gonna get the wrench. I'm gonna move this oil a little bit so I can work right here. Okay, that should be good. Real tight. 2 hands. Okay, that's not going anywhere. And as you can see right here, if you don't know what type of oil it takes, is this one right here. So this one right here, W20. Now we're gonna put the oil in here. Everything is okay. We got just a little bit right here, just like a half a quart, just in case. Okay, I'm gonna put this in here, back in here. We're gonna turn on the car and see